In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert image to black and white in GIMP. This is a quick, dependable method that permanently strips color from your image by changing its color mode, giving you a clean, classic monochrome foundation for any photo or graphic. First, open your image in GIMP. Launch the program and bring your photo onto the canvas so you can see it in the main workspace. If you're new to GIMP, the canvas is the large, central area where your image appears, and the menus run across the top. Once your image is visible, you're ready to make the conversion. Many editors like to test edits on a duplicate file so the original stays untouched, but today we'll focus on the simplest, direct method. Next, go to the top menu and click Image. This menu controls settings that affect the entire document rather than a single layer or selection. You'll find options related to size, color information, and other image-wide properties here, which is exactly what we need for a true black and white result. From the Image menu, choose Mode. Mode determines how color data is stored and interpreted throughout the file. Right now, your image is likely in RGB mode, which includes red, green, and blue channels to represent full color. Switching modes changes how GIMP saves and processes color for the whole image. Now, select Grayscale. The moment you choose Grayscale, GIMP converts the file so that every pixel is defined only by its luminance, or brightness, value. Instead of 3 color channels, the image now uses a single channel representing light and dark. This isn't just hiding color. It removes hue and saturation information from the document. That's why this approach is preferred when you want a definitive black and white image that's consistent across different devices and software. You'll see the change instantly. The photo becomes monochrome, with tones ranging from deep blacks through mid-grays to crisp whites. Depending on your original image, you may notice that textures and contrast stand out differently now that the distraction of color is gone. If you look at the title bar or image information later, you'll notice it indicates grayscale mode, confirming the conversion. This streamlined workflow is ideal when you want a reliable black and white base that can be further refined with tonal adjustments at a later stage, if you choose to. And that's it. You opened your image, navigated to image, went into mode, and selected grayscale to transform it into black and white instantly. Simple, fast, and professional.